I belong to you. I belong to you.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back. Tomorrow's my birthday. So what better way to celebrate than to like go to a spa, go to brunch. So I'm actually going to take myself out on a little solo date today. I'm gonna go to Air Baths today in the city. It's in Soho, and just really take everything in. I have reached another milestone, so I just figured what better way than to spend time with myself, you know? So we're gonna do that today. I've seen this spa or baths all over TikTok, and some of my influencers go there. So I was like, oh, let me try it. It's worth it. To see if it's worth it, rather. People said it's worth it, but I'm gonna see for myself. And then right around the corner, there's a brunch spot called Sadelle's, which apparently they have the best French toast and the best scrambled egg with caviar, which is what I will be ordering today. And then really we'll just walk around and chill and see what the day has to offer. Oh yeah, this new coffee spot is around there too. So let's see where I end up. But of course you guys are coming with me for sure. So see you in a few. Okay guys, we're walking now to the spa. I made it down here. It took about an hour, but not too bad.
Slight right to stay on Church Street.
But it's a beautiful day today. So 10 out of 10 I would rate that experience. So it's like so many different types of pools. For example, they had a salinity pool. There was like a thermal vapor room where it got up to like 116 degrees, and it was like mist of like eucalyptus. It was so relaxing. Then they had cold plunge pools, and what else? Oh, like a hot tub with all these jets. That was a good experience too. Then they had like a Himalayan stone where you could sit and relax on. Overall, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. So right now, trying to go find some lunch now. I'm gonna go to Sadelle's to eat. But it was really a 10 out of 10. I would definitely go back. The ambiance, the relaxation was good. So I also booked a massage, and that was also a 30-minute massage, which was really good too. So after the massage, I had the option of going back to the pool, but since I was dry, because listen guys, they dry your bathing suit and your slippers, so you have to go into the pool with the slippers that they give you. So they dry all of that for you. So since I was halfway dry, I did not want to go back in the pool, so I just relaxed at the Himalayan salt stone. Trying to find this restaurant, and I don't want to get lost, so I will be back. Okay, Sadelle's 10 out of 10. So I had the caviar and soft scramble. It came with like some buttered rye toast. Oh my god, that was so good because the egg was so soft. I almost feel like they put creme fraiche in it, probably because it was fluffy, but it was so good. And then I ordered the French toast because that's something else they're famous for, and it was kind of like a brioche French toast, and it had a strawberry compote and the syrup, but the syrup was fine for me. Obviously I didn't eat it all. I had to bring that home, but it was so good. But I won't tell you how much those eggs cost. yesterday. We're going to dinner tonight. So I said I'll do an OOTD for you all. So let me back up. So this dress, oh, I feel like you can't see. Blue striped linen dress is actually from TJ Maxx. I have a little pop of color. And then my shoes, gosh, you guys can't see, but they're blue. Zara denim. And oh, I didn't show my accessories. So these two necklaces are actually from Nordstrom. This one, and then I have this one, and then my regular ring that I wear. I did get my nails done. I think I showed you guys that yesterday. This bracelet is a Hermes clasp bracelet, and then I have my regular diamond tennis, right? And then on this hand, I have a David Yurman in all black. I have this charm bracelet I got from Off Fifth, and then, oh, my bracelets are all discombobulated. And then I have a Forever Gold bracelet there, and then one a little Cardi ring. And those are my accessories. Oh, these I think came from Shein. And then this stack is just my regular stack here. Right? Okay. Okay, guys, see ya. We're here, guys. We're here. Because if you're not paying attention, the sign is so small.